In this video I will show you how to design Bussines flyer step by step. Step 1. Choose your page size and draw to match the page. Remove the page border. Use B-spline to draw the curve. Be careful here. Press Ctrl D to duplicate it. Use Virtual Segment Delete to delete overflow lines. Hold Ctrl plus left mouse to draw perfect circle. Draw rectangle. Right-click it and turn it to curve. Apply any color of your choice. Let us design the Bussines logo. Now write all the contents of the flyer as you want. Remember to subscribe. Next video will be wonderful. Select image, right-click on it, click power clip and tap on the circle.